Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix quality on Instagram posts or how to upload high quality videos and photos to your Instagram posts. The first thing that you will need to do is go into Instagram. Once you're in the app, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner and you're going to select settings. After you have selected settings, you're going to tap on account. Then you're going to select data usage, and right here you'll see high quality uploads. As you can see, upload higher quality videos on mobile or Wi-Fi. You'll simply tap on it to turn it on. And that's it. By doing this, you'll be able to upload higher quality videos and photos. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.